Hello everyone, today we're reviewing the Acer Nitro N60-640-EB23, a mid-range gaming desktop with Intel Core i7, 32GB DDR5 and 1TB SSD. At around 1,500 Canadian dollars, is this pre-built worth buying or should you build your own? Let's break it down. So this gaming desktop has a CPU with an Intel Core i7 14700, 20 core up to 5.4 GHz, a GPU with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, 791 AI TOPS, with 32GB RAM DDR5, 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3 and Gigabit Ethernet connectivity, and a Windows 11 OS home. The Nitro N60 handles 1080p gaming comfortably. With the RTX 5060, expect 60 to 120 FPS in most AAA titles at high to ultra setting at 1080 pixels. DLSS 4 support with multi-frame generation helps boost performance in supported games. Tom Hardware has confirmed Acer Nitro 60 provides dependable gaming performance and a few extras for a fair price. However, this is not a 4K gaming machine. The RTX 5060 is designed for 1080p or 1440p, not 4K ultra settings. The design is clean, understated, and easy to fix under a desk or small setup. Build quality feels decent, not luxury but not flimsy either. The front panel ports are convenient and setup was straightforward. One reviewer noted impressive build quality. There was decent cable management. The single DDR5 memory module was in the correct slot and the TIN was applied well. Max CPU temp only got as high as 65 degrees Celsius. No flashy RGB monster here, just a compact functional gaming tower. Here are its major issues. Single channel RAM. Some configurations ship with single memory module running in single channel hampering performance. Adding a second 16GB stick immediately boosts the game FPS by 10 to 20%. No top exhaust fans. No top case fans for exhaust. Airflow could be better, though CPU temps stay acceptable. No NVMe heatsink. No heatsink for NVMe SSD. Temps got to 70 degrees during benchmark run. Not critical, but not ideal. Older Wi-Fi card. Sporting an older Intel 9560NGW Wi-Fi card with Bluetooth 4.2 in some units instead of advertised Wi-Fi 6. The Acer Nitro N60 is upgradable, but with limits. If you are someone who plans to heavily upgrade over time, this system may feel restrictive. If you want a buy-it-to-use-it gaming PC, it's perfectly fine. The M-ATX case and proprietary PSU limit major upgrades, but you can easily add RAM, storage, and potentially upgrade the GPU. The final verdict? The Acer Nitro N60-640-EB23 delivers solid 1080p gaming performance in a single compact, well-built package with decent thermals and no stress buildup. The single-channel RAM and limited airflow are fixable, but you're paying for convenience, not maximum value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.